Today, we're crafting a delicious butternut and lentil one-pot. Here's everything you'll need. Fresh butternut squash, baby spinach, tinned green lentils, chopped tomatoes, onion, garlic, tomato puree, mixed herbs, oil, and a vegetable stock pot. Looking for a warming, healthy dinner that costs less than £1 per portion? This butternut and lentil one-pot is your new winter favorite. Start by sautéing onions and garlic until they're soft and fragrant. This creates the perfect flavor base. Stir in the tomato puree and mixed herbs, then toss in those beautiful butternut squash cubes. Add your protein-packed lentils, chopped tomatoes, and vegetable stock. Bring it to a boil and let the magic happen. Simmer for 20 minutes until the squash is tender, then fold in fresh baby spinach for that extra nutrient boost. Serve it with crusty bread for the ultimate cozy meal. Healthy, easy, and incredibly delicious. Enjoy!